Starting price range of jewelry at just rupees 150. Unbelievable, right? But if you want to check out the collection, then do visit Ira Bespoke Jewelry at Prahlad Nagar Road. कलेक्शन में उनके पास बहुत सुंदर सेट ऑप्शंस हैं फॉर नवरात्रि, जर्मन सिल्वर, फ्यूजन ज्वेलरी, वेडिंग ज्वेलरी, रिंग्स, ब्रेसलेट्स, कड़ास. They have beautiful, unique, exquisite collection, and if you also want to check out the collection, you have to visit them at their store. That is 146 Titanium City Center Mall, 100 Feet Road, Shyamal, Prahlad Nagar, Ahmedabad. And to check out the collection, swipe left. If you are looking for something very unique and something trending, beautiful, very very delicate, then this is the right section. तो यहाँ पे हम cover करने वाले हैं ये sticks. We are going to cover these ear cuffs. Look at that. Starting at just rupees 200. You are going to get these beautiful pieces. They are lightweight, they are unique, they are different, नवरात्रि ready. Look at that. उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी options हैं उनके पास. Along with that, these are bugardis, so you can wear them over your ear, single piece. So ये भी बहुत beautiful दिखते हैं. And then we have more options of sticks here. उसके साथ साथ we have a lot of options of payal as well. If you're looking for long statement pieces, then this is the right section. यहाँ पे आपको मिलने वाले हैं बहुत सारे options of long statement pieces. So as you can see, they are having these chains and then they have these tops with them. उसमें आपको बहुत सारे options मिलेंगे. Something like this with words. पूरा अगर statement चाहिए ये मिल जाएगा आपको. If you want something like this, if you're looking for options like this, look at that, beautiful pieces in long, very pretty. थोड़ा सा fusion में जाना है तो ये भी बहुत सुंदर pieces हैं. Look at that, look at this one, पूरा single, beautiful. If you want something similar to what ma'am is wearing in her neck and earrings, तो फिर हम आपको और भी statement pieces दिखाने वाले हैं that you are going to fall in love with. हासली में अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ चाहिए, you are going to get something like that. Wedding look के लिए अगर कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा. Look at that, beautiful, very pretty. Something very delicate yet very beautiful. Look at that piece, beautiful. अब हम आपको कुछ और statement long pieces दिखाएंगे. So look at this piece, beautiful. Something similar to that in a different design. Look at that. More pieces. Look at that. Very pretty, exquisite and unique designs. Elegant. Very pretty.
Combination of monzonite with German silver.
Okay, all right. Starting with नवरात्रि pieces, so उसमें भी options बहुत सारे हैं in single tone. Look at that, beautiful. If you want something in double layer, we have that also. Very pretty. पूरा triple layer में चाहिए, then they have that option as well. Delicate pieces के भी बहुत सारे options हैं. Delicate yet very very beautiful. Look at that. हासली स्टाइल है, लॉन्ग में है थोड़ा सा. Look at this piece. Alright. If you want something like this, we have options in that as well. Look at that. Beautiful. And they also have offers, like I told you, up to 50% on their collection. So you have to come down and check their collection. Look at that. उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे और बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस भी आपको. अगर आपको कश्मीरी ज्वेलरी पसंद है देन दिस इज द राइट सेक्शन फॉर यू. यहाँ पे हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं बहुत सारी कश्मीरी ज्वेलरी के ऑप्शंस इन बोथ सिल्वर एज वेल एज गोल्ड टोन्स. समथिंग विथ पूरा कांसेर टाइप्स. अगर आपको सुपर लॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट पीस चाहिए, देन वी हैव दिस ऑल्सो। कांसेर के साथ कुछ चाहिए तो वो ऑप्शन भी आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे। उसके साथ साथ हासली में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है अलोंग विद दीज सिंगल टोन इयररिंग्स। लुक एट दैट। जूड़ा ऑल्सो, ब्यूटिफुल जूड़ा with beautiful intricate work done on them, and then these earrings as well. Look at that, beautiful. If you want single tone में options भी हैं। अगर आपको कुछ heavy में जाना है तो वो भी पूरा option यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा।
So we have in chokers lot of options which
Okay.
starts from just 1500 in fusion,
Okay.
and without fusion it starts from just 1000. You can see this Rajwadi piece. This is just at rupees 2500.
Wow, beautiful.
This Nandi piece,
Look at that.
same 1500.
Okay,
This piece as well. This is at 1700.
beautiful. Look at that.
And see all the options. There are a lot of options here.
So let's check out options. यहाँ पे आपको again, like ma'am rightly said, बहुत सारे options at a very reasonable price you are going to
With a
get.
latkan as well.
Yes, beautiful. उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे हासली के भी ऑप्शंस हैं बहुत सारे। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, दे हैव यूनिक पीसेस हियर एज वेल। इफ यू वांट समथिंग फॉर योर डेली रूटीन वेयर, देन यू कैन गो विद दीज टू ऑप्शंस। दीज आर विद घुंघरूज। लुक एट दैट। आई ऑल्सो लव दीज लाइक स्टेटमेंट पीस हासली।
So we have lot of fusion bags and we customize bags as well. आपको जैसे कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में फिर जैसे मोटिव्स इसमें लगाने हैं, these are all the heritage pieces. There are different shapes. The range starts just from 2000. This is all with a Monzo combination.
Okay.
Let's see the space of the bag. You can put mobile
Okay.
and accessories as well. This is something like hanging bag,
Okay. Very pretty.
and these are all the shapes.
Look at that. इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारे शेप्स मिल जाने वाले हैं। सो आई एम वेरी फैसिनेटेड बाय दीज बैग्स बिकॉज दीज आर, यू कैन गिफ्ट देम एंड दे आर generational. So from one generation to another, you can also pass them. You know, you can give it to your daughters, your mothers, your daddies as well, you know, for Diwali gifting.
So we have lot of options in Kundan Kadas. You can see the designs. This is Hathi Kada. This is all golden with a fusion touch.
Okay.
These are patlas. You can see all those varieties with
Right.
hanging motis as well.
Beautiful.
The starting range here is 1600. See this
Okay.
patla. This is a dual tone real silver look like kada.
Okay.
Then you can see the ghungru, very lightweighted handcuffs.
Mm-hmm.
Here for the stone Monzo, you can see this. This is color option.
Okay.
We have such dual tone kadas as well.
Beautiful.
See this.
Lovely. Look at that.
Yes. It's each and every piece is crafted.
Okay.
You will not find the second piece with this. This is
Beautiful.
dual tone kada.
Mm-hmm. Very
And this
pretty.
range starts from 600, 700 single tone kadas as well.
Okay, they have lots of options in statement rings as well.